For more information, please refer to the installation guide. Please note the following tools you'll require for installation: chalk line string, pencil, tape measure, tapping block, rubber mallet, pull bar, painter's tape, safety glasses, spacers, carpenter's square, the utility knife, and crosscut power saw. Proper subfloor preparation is critical to a successful installation. Please refer to the installation guide to make sure your subfloor is adequate. Vinyl planks should be acclimated in the climate-controlled locations for 48 hours before starting installation. Plan the placement of your planks on your floor before beginning the installation. Determine how you want the flooring to run. It's important to do some pre-planning. Using the width of the room, calculate how many full boards will fit into the area and how much space remains that will need to be covered by partial planks. 8 mm or 5/16 inches expansion gaps should be kept from the wall during the installation. This will allow space for the natural expansion and contraction of the planks. The planks should be installed from left to right. From the top left corner of the room, put the first plank in place so that both the head and side seam grooves are exposed. Place the short end tongue of the second plank into the groove of the first plank. Press down firmly to lock the short end, preferably by lightly tapping on the joint with a rubber mallet. Continue in this manner until reaching the final plank in the first row. Cut the final plank piece to length. Lock the final piece of that row in place. Begin the second row with the cut piece from the first row. If the cut piece is shorter than 20 centimeters or 8 inches, do not use it. Instead, begin with a new plank that is at least 20 centimeters in length and allows 20 centimeters between the end joints on the adjacent planks. Angle up and slide the plank to the left to align the edges. Let the short side fold down until it locks. Press down by preferably tapping with a rubber mallet. Continue in this manner until reaching the final plank of the second row. Install the remaining planks and rows in the same manner. If the flooring is to be installed around an obstacle, please mark the cuts on the planks and make the cuts accordingly. Install the remaining planks and rows in the same manner until the end of the flooring. The last row may need to be cut lengthwise. Place the last row of planks to be fit on top of the last row of installed planks. Use a piece of plywood as a guide to trace the mark where to cut. Mark where the plank will be cut. If the fit is simple and straight, measure for the correct fit and cut. In areas where your new floor meets other types of flooring, select an appropriate molding to get a professional-looking and safe transition.